Mr. Desai, thank you so much for speaking with the CSR Journal. Tell me your first reactions on the budget, please.
This has been a very focused budget. From the beginning, the government had three main agendas. One is to reduce the black money, give a boost to the MSME segment, and bring maximum people within the tax bracket. So if you see this budget, government has taken maximum steps to reduce black money in India by introducing the data mining from the government agencies as well as outsourcing the services to other private segments. Also for the MSME segment, the tax bracket has been reduced from 30% to 25%, which will give a major boost to the MSME segment. And this is the first time when the government has brought MSME in parity with the corporate world. Also, the government has made tax filing and returns filling for the new taxpayers. It is being made very easy, and by announcing no scrutiny for the first year and all that, I'm sure there'll be a lot of taxpayers which will come under for the bracket.
He also spoke a lot in terms of rural development. He announced a lot of changes in certain schemes. Rural development comes under the ambit of CSR, of course. How do you see these changes to happen now?
Now CSR is becoming very prominent with the corporate world, and the companies are also looking at opportunities to give a better living to the nation. And I am sure with this new reforms which are brought by Mr. Jaitley, the rural part of India which requires maximum attention will be addressed by the corporate world through CSR.
With regard to the Mahila banks also, how do you think the women empowerment bit, which has been in talks for a very long time, how do you see that change happening?
The women in India are coming up in a much faster way, and I am sure that in the days to come they may even surpass the men's. So with this kind of the equal opportunity given to women in the rural part of India, and there will be a lot of upliftment.
Do you think there'll be a lot of increase in funding, because of course he didn't make any changes for the corporates so much? Do you see a change in the CSR spending accordingly from corporates?
There should be, because there's a lot of CSR, if you see in the corporate world, is quite associated with their own growth. Correct. So with the introduction of the infrastructure and all that, a lot of opportunities will be given to the corporate sector. Correct. By which the CSR activity has to be increased by the corporate world as well.
Tell me briefly about the activities your company does.
We are associated with a lot of hospitals and schools in the rural area. There are a lot of colleges which we have built. We are also funding some hospitals in southern Gujarat.
So he mentioned about quality of education coming about. How do you plan to implement that after the budget announcements?
Recently in southern Gujarat, near Vapi, we are now funding a college. Earlier there was no college in the science stream, and now we are funding that college, and we are trying to start the science stream in this year.
Can you tell me a little with regard to the upcoming elections? Of course, he said that the funds that have to be given to political parties is reduced to 2,000, and the BMC elections are coming about. What are your thoughts on that?
See, this will quietly channelize the whole thing. The government is taking effort to channelize all the donations and all, and I feel it's a positive move from the government.
Can you tell me briefly what is CSR to you?
CSR is a responsibility of any citizen in India, and I think every citizen should practice CSR in their own small or big way, whatever they can contribute to the society.
Thank you so much for speaking with the CSR Journal. Thank you.